Hey guys, it's Michael here from FlySight. In this video, we are going to replace the antenna on a FlySight. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove the two screws on the back of the unit. And then pull the back of the case off. Next, remove the printed circuit board, and you want to handle it by its edges as much as possible. Next, we're going to pull out this RF connector here. Grip it with your fingernails, and then pull straight away from the printed circuit board. And then pull out the antenna. To install the new antenna, find the mating side of the connector, turn it toward the printed circuit board, and push straight down. And then pull the cable toward this gap in the printed circuit board, flip the board over, and you'll do a small curl in the cable like this, and then install the antenna in the slot. Okay, now we're ready to put the printed circuit board back inside the case. So drop the circuit board into the case with the switches and jacks first. Put the back cover on. And finally reinstall the screws. That's it. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.